Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you where you can access all your literature text for 2026 JAMB. Yes, the current literature text for 2026 JAMB. You know, the one in your JAMB 2026 syllabus, your latest text. You know, every text is released for 4 years. So this is the new set is from 2026 now to 2030. It will be the same text that you're going to use. So the current one is on the DTW JAMB CBT app. So please kindly do download it on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. So let's get into it. So all you need to do on the DTW JAMB CBT app, click on Classroom. All right, so go to Classroom, then scroll down here to Literature. Come to Literature. Okay, I would have to shift this somewhere here. Okay, so when you come to Literature, can you see this? Just come into your African drama. Look at the notes. All right, this is your African drama 1. Just come up. Can you say marriage of sorry, I can't pronounce that name. Okay, Ansenwa. All right, me, I'm a science person. Please forgive me. Okay, so marriage of Ansenwa. Now African drama 2. Come here. Look at the notes. Once upon an elephant. All right, everything is inside here to read, to show you the scene, you know, your teams, everything, team analysis, everything is here. And there are flashcards, there are exercises for you to use to study. And apart from you know, using the notes to study, you can now go into the past questions. The past questions are based on all these literature texts. Okay, so you come here, you know, to get into the past questions. Come here, let me see, come back here. All right, come to practice. When you come to practice for UTME, you know, you select, you know, you're a literature person, so all these ones we're going to clear them off. So you select a literature person, you will do literature. You click on your, you know, your literature textbooks. You are going to do which other course do you guys do? Government and, you know, CRK and all that. And okay, so sorry, so you know, you can now use to practice. Okay, so if it's just a literature textbook you want to practice on, you select it and time yourself. So this is how you get access to all your literature text for JAMB 2026. All right, guys, do share to access this. All right, you can download the app freely, but to access all these past questions, all the old features, you need to pay 4,000 naira to activate it. It's a one-time fee payment. It is not scam, guys. It's not scam. We've been here for over 8 years, helping students pass their exam, creating digital tools to support their study to pass their exam. So to activate, just our contact details on the app, just WhatsApp us, pay, send your receipt, we activate your app. It is a one-time fee payment just for a year, and it activates and works without the internet. So you are blessed and destined to win. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Come to him today.